Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 27th of November 2017 and I will be analyzing GATI. First is the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose and any trade that you decide to take upon based on the suggestions made here is entirely your responsibility and I can't be held legally responsible for it. So GATI monthly chart. After making a high, it came down, then it made a bottom, it gave a very good breakout, see the rally here, and but then similarly as it went up, it came down also very fast, and then it is currently forming a rounding bottoming pattern. Now, if you see this trend line, this has given in this month a breakout above this. Anyway, this line and this triangle has been exhausted, so any candle that will come will go outside it. So this range has already been exhausted. Now, what remains to see in this weekly chart is this is not able to close above this 20 SMA and 20 EMA, as well as if you see the range of this Bollinger Band has narrowed a lot. So that's what we have to see, that if it has the potential to push price action above this level, and if you see we have a very good volume here, it is consolidating. If you see RSI, it has been within the range of 40 and 60. So it has been just oscillating, price action has been just oscillating in a range. Now we have to see if RSI on monthly chart can cross over it. Currently things look positive, but then for a confirmation we should go to shorter time frame as well and see what is happening there. On weekly chart, RSI has reached 60, and if you see, let me go back to monthly chart. If you see, it has come down and it is taking support in this range, and that to upper end of the range. It did not come down. Let me draw another horizontal line and I could show you. So this is also a considerable support line. This has been drawn by joining the bottom of here, and this bottom became a resistance at this level. So this is also a considerable point. But then the price action did not breach the second line and it did not come down. So this is also the range has been taken on the upper bound. So on weekly chart we see that it, it has managed to cross 50. This green line is 100 EMA. It has managed to cross 100 EMA and has closed above it for 2 days successively. But then we have in the last week this doji formation, so that's what we have to be a bit careful. But then closing above this 100 SMA, 100 EMA is good sign. But then still we have to wait for some time and see on the still lower time frame that what is panning out. So let me go back to weekly chart again. If I draw a trend line, and again a horizontal line, see, this is where exactly it took resistance. This horizontal line I have drawn by taking points from this high where it faced resistance. Again at the same level it is facing resistance. So unless it is able to break above that, we should not go long. but things are definitely good, and it might be possible, but then waiting always pays. So be patient, don't jump into a trade. And so what it did is it broke this level, it came down, again it went up, and it came down and took support at the last high that it made. So this is positive. It is constantly now making a higher, it is making higher bottom, and again it came back and took support here. So and RSI is also taking support at 60. So definitely if you want to go long, you can go long, and if you want to add this in portfolio, then this seems to be a reasonable time where you can add. But if you are looking for trading, then wait for some more time and let it break above this level. Otherwise, it might happen that it can do a ping pong here, or do this price can just oscillate here. So this is what we have to see. This is our range, and but then prospects are positive, and we have to see that how it pans out in days to come. But then still, if you want to go for long trade, make a tight stop loss, and then you can trade. So that's it for now. If you have further queries, you can ping me on the WhatsApp group, or you can comment here, or if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.